Since I bought my first car when I was 15 years old, I've taken my vehicles to the same mechanic. He's honest, does good work, and is close to my house. I go down the road, make a quick U-turn, and his shop is right there. I can easily walk home and back when he finishes the repair. But not long ago, the Department of Transportation improved the intersection where I make the U-turn by adding some turning lanes and widening part of the road. When they neared completion, I was surprised to see them install a no U-turn sign. I dislike change as much as the next guy, so at first I was a little aggravated and still rebelliously made the U-turn regardless of what the sign said. But I was just recently going through some old notes and found a traffic plan I had created several years ago for a school drop-off pickup plan in China. The rules of the road, and I use the word rules loosely, are different in China than they are in the US. So I was struggling to communicate my idea of safe, orderly, and efficient when it came to motor vehicle expectations. So I created a simple list of rules for the pickup line. The school was on an entire city block by itself, so you could pretty easily come in from any direction and sort of circle the school, keeping our car line moving in the same direction. The first rule in my list was no U-turns. I sent these rules out repeatedly in different formats for about a week before we started our car lines. The first day I watched no less than 20 cars either come in from the wrong direction and make a U-turn to try to get in the car line, or make an immediate U-turn after getting their child to exit the car line, or just pull up and park sideways in the middle of the road. It was a terrible mess by all definitions of a terrible mess. I finally gave up and just let nature take its course. Nobody ever got hurt, to my knowledge, but it was a cluster of frustration, at least for me. So when I see that no U-turn sign next to my mechanic, I wonder if it's karma or maybe just a good piece of advice. Maybe we don't need to make U-turns in life. Maybe we just need to keep moving forward.